So this is our most recent sail configuration. It's called a wing and wing, and it's for downwind sailing. So we got this bar out there that's helping our jib stay out. What is that called? It's called a reaching strut. That's gonna help that bar. That's gonna help that sail stay out there, and that's the thing that almost killed Dave, the old timer. But it didn't, and now we're getting good wind and good sailing. So there we go. And this is our view every day. All ocean, every day, day in, day out. But we reached over the halfway mark, and we're sailing straight on to Maui. Isn't that right, Captain?
That's right. Straight on to Maui on this deck. This heading, Maui bound.
Still on day 11, and it's dinner time. So I got a really nice meal going here. I got mashed potatoes. There's our tuna, spinach. This is what the plate's gonna look like. It's this is a baked tuna with honey mustard glaze and candied walnuts on top. Mashed potatoes with ranch dressing, butter, and garlic. And of course our greens, which is a little butter, salt, and some balsamic vinegar. So might seem simple, but out here on the water, this is a big morale boost. This is what we all look forward to is dinner time. So bon appetit. Captain Rick has a proposal here for Honda generators.
Well, I have to tell you, these generators, quality product by the way,
Sweet.
are so quiet that our owner here sleeps right next to the running generator. As you can see, he's sacked out.
I'm all sacked out.
So there, bye.
So this is our toilet. It's called a head on a boat, and it's pretty small. So here we go. Good morning, everybody. I'm going to show you the interesting thing about a toilet on a boat. Now, as you can see, I'm kind of rocking around here trying to even close the door. It's a very small space, and normally the boat is rocking quite a bit, and I'm sure I'll be rocked on and off the toilet a couple times, and actually the sink being where it is, I've almost knocked my teeth out a couple times on it. But I'm going to show you what I think is pretty interesting about a toilet on a boat, or on this boat at least. There's a pump here called a macerator pump, and this button, when we push that, it actually has a blender in the bottom of the toilet, and it blends everything that goes in the toilet and then shoves it out to sea, just like our garbage. Everything goes out to sea with their garbage except plastic. There, that's another story. So I'm going to set this handle here to out to sea instead of in the holding tank, and we're going to push that little button, and I'll show you what happens. Whoa. Okay. So there's what we have. Push the button, and voila. Just like that. And that's that.
There's Joe Maui. Yeah, he's got his sleeves ripped off. Getting back in his sex harness.
Yep, homemade sleeveless.
Mike here turned him into his boat boy.
I didn't hear you.
Good.
Cut.
So, as you can see in our little bathroom in there, no shower. And so, I have all the ingredients here for the shower underway. Now we're on day 11, I think. Day 11? We're on day 12. And normally I like to keep this region very, very clean. But undersea, you make do with what you have. So what we have is baby wipes, and Dr. Scholl's original foot powder. It cools and soothes. So, step 1, take a baby wipe and apply. And dispose. Next, powder. Now, this is key to protect against the sailor's worst enemy. He's got 2 of them. One is crotch rot, and the other one is chafing. And this covers both bases. Now, out here, this little bit, you wouldn't guess it, but this is what a real sailor looks forward to. It's showtime, boys. And there you have it. Sailor shower, clean as a whistle.
As you can see, the foot powder didn't work.
Now you have to aerate.
Yeah, sunshine will do the trip.
Aerate.
Sunshine where the sun don't shine. Okay, one more thing. Let's get that pole extended out before we pull the sail out. It's already pushed out?
It's out about twice as far as it was last time.
Awesome, great. All right, let's haul it out and see what it looks like.